Fluent Avenuex. Speak English with class.
Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You are in a room full of people. They are speaking English. They are smiling. They are confident. And you want to speak. You have the words in your head, but your mouth does not move. Your heart beats fast. Your hands feel cold. And one question repeats inside you. Why can't I speak? This is not just about English. This is about confidence. This is about fear. This is about the silent voice inside you that wants to be heard. Today, this is where everything changes. Because you are not bad at English. You are just afraid to use it. And fear grows in silence. But confidence grows with practice. Listen and repeat. That is all you need. Let me tell you a story. There was a learner, maybe like you. He studied English for years. He knew grammar rules. He watched videos. He read books. He understood many words. But when someone asked him a simple question, "How are you?" his mind went blank. He panicked. He smiled and said nothing. Later, he felt angry at himself. Why am I like this? He thought maybe he was not smart enough. Maybe English was too difficult. Maybe other people were just better. But what he did not understand was something very simple. He was training his brain but not training his mouth. He was learning quietly. But speaking is not quiet. Speaking is action. Speaking is movement. Speaking is repetition. And repetition builds power. One day, something small happened. He watched a simple video. Not a complicated lesson. Not big grammar. Just simple sentences. The voice said slowly, "I wake up early." He listened. Then he repeated, "I wake up early." Again, "I wake up early." At first he felt silly. Why am I repeating like a child? But he continued, "I drink coffee in the morning." He listened. He repeated. He listened again. He repeated again. Something started to change. Very slowly. Very quietly. His tongue moved easier. His mouth felt lighter. The words did not feel strange anymore. And this is the secret no one tells you. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is repetition. Listen and repeat. Again. And again. And again. Days passed. He practiced every morning. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. Sometimes 15. Simple sentences. I go to work. I like this movie. I am learning English. Short sentences. Clear sentences. Real sentences. But what happened next? One day, at work, a colleague spoke to him in English. It was a simple question. What did you do yesterday? For 1 second, fear came back. His heart moved fast. But then something surprising happened. A sentence appeared in his mind. Clear. Simple. I watched a movie and relaxed at home. And this time, he did not stay silent. He spoke. His voice was not perfect. His accent was not perfect. But he spoke. And nothing bad happened. The world did not end. People did not laugh. They listened. They answered. They smiled. In that small moment, everything changed. Because he understood something powerful. Fluency is not about perfect grammar. It is about courage. It is about opening your mouth. It is about trying, even when you feel afraid. And how do you build courage? Not by thinking, not by waiting, but by doing. Listen. Repeat. Speak. You see, fear grows when you stay silent. Every time you say, maybe tomorrow, fear becomes stronger. But every time you speak, even one small sentence, fear becomes weaker. This is where everything changed for him. He stopped saying, I can't. He started saying, I am learning. He stopped waiting to feel ready. He started practicing daily. He made mistakes. Many mistakes. Sometimes he said the wrong word. Sometimes he forgot grammar. Sometimes he felt embarrassed. But he continued, because now he understood something deeper. Mistakes are not failure. Silence is failure. Trying is success. Think about your life. How many times did you stay quiet? How many times did you understand, but not speak? How many opportunities passed because of fear? But what if starting today you choose something different? What if you decide that 5 minutes a day is enough to change your future? What if you decide that your voice matters? Because it does. Your ideas matter. Your story matters. Your dreams matter. And English is just a tool to express who you are, a tool to connect with the world, a tool to open doors. But tools are useless if you never use them. Listen and repeat. This simple method can change your life. Listen carefully. Feel the rhythm. Copy the sound. Repeat with emotion. Repeat with energy. Repeat like you mean it. At first, it feels strange. Then it feels normal. Then it feels powerful. And one day, you will speak without fear. Not because you are perfect, but because you practiced. No one saw it coming. Even he did not see it coming. Months later, he was in another meeting. This time he spoke first. He shared his idea. People listened. They agreed. They respected him. After the meeting, he walked alone and smiled. Not because his English was perfect, but because he was not afraid anymore. And that is the real victory. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is quiet strength. It is the calm feeling that says, I can try. You do not need to be advanced. You do not need big vocabulary. You need courage. And courage grows with action. So right now, as you listen to my voice, I want you to repeat after me. I am not afraid. Say it again. I am learning every day. Again. I can speak English. Feel those words. Let them become real. Because this is your turning point. Not tomorrow. Not next year. Today. If you practice daily, if you listen and repeat, if you speak even when your voice shakes, you will change. Slowly. Powerfully. Forever. And one day, someone will look at you and think, wow, they are so confident. But they will not see the early mornings. They will not see the quiet practice. They will not see the small sentences repeated again and again. Only you will know. Only you will remember. The fear. The doubt. The first small sentence. And the moment everything changed. So here is the lesson. Confidence is built, not born. Fluency is trained, not gifted. Your voice is stronger than your fear, but only if you use it. Listen, repeat, speak, again and again, until silence is no longer your comfort, until speaking becomes your habit. Your future is waiting for your voice. Do not keep it quiet. If this message touched you, stay with this journey. Practice with me. Grow with me. And if you are ready to change your English and your confidence, like this video, subscribe and watch the next lesson. Because this is only the beginning.